Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Amazon Fire TV with your phone, and this is very simple to do. Now, you need to go on over to your phone and swipe down from the top. You want to go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Amazon Fire Stick or TV. Once you do that, go on over to the Play Store, open this up, and then go to where it says Search and type in Fire TV. Just like this, and go to this application. It's called Amazon Fire TV. Get this, open this up, and then you should be able to find your Amazon Fire Stick under here. And once you have it found, you can just select it, and then you should be able to control it with your phone. And it's very easy. So just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can see on the screen right now, I have all these different Wi-Fi networks, and just connect the same one on your TV. And you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up.